If you love smart gadgets that make life easier and save you money, then stop scrolling, because these 5 Amazon finds are insanely useful, surprisingly affordable, and honestly, once you see them, you'll wonder how you lived without them. Imagine fixing something in the dark and suddenly realizing you are the flashlight. These LED flashlight gloves turn your hands into instant beams of light, literally. No more biting a torch or begging someone to hold the light steady while you work. They're rechargeable, so no more swapping batteries mid-project. Just plug them into any USB port and you're good to go. The fingerless design means you can still grip, twist, and tinker with full control, while the stretchy fabric and adjustable strap keep them comfy no matter your hand size. Perfect for late-night car fixes, fishing trips, or even when you drop something under the couch again. Just slip them on, tap the button, and light up your fingertips like a real-life superhero. You ever notice how every tool in your shed seems to lose its edge right when you need it most? That's where the Orange Ninja steps in, the one sharpener to rule them all. Knives, axes, machetes, lawnmower blades. If it cuts, this thing brings it back to life. It's like a spa day for your tools. Gardeners love it because it keeps shears and pruners slicing clean, which means smoother cuts and happier plants. But it's not just for the backyard. This little beast belongs in every camper's and hunter's pack too. Whether you're deep in the woods or just prepping dinner, the Orange Ninja keeps your gear razor ready. And the best part? It's small, lightweight, and ridiculously easy to use. Just grab, sharpen, and go. Built with tough tungsten sharpeners, it's made to last. No cheap plastic gimmicks here. Think of it as an upgrade for every blade you own, wrapped in one sleek, durable tool. Imagine your house number glowing like a piece of modern art, not just visible, but stunning. This solar-powered address plaque doesn't just light up your home, it transforms it. 4 spherical lenses cast a soft, elegant glow that spills across the wall and ground, creating patterns that make your entrance look like something out of a luxury magazine. And it's smart. Fully charged in just a few hours of sunlight, it keeps shining all night long, even when it's cloudy. You can switch between warm white for cozy vibes, cool white for that crisp modern look, or a balanced neutral white for everyday elegance. Mount it on your wall, or stake it in the garden. Either way, it's weatherproof, customizable, and built to last. Rain or shine, it stands like a tiny beacon, guiding guests, deliveries, and loved ones right to your door in style. If you're loving these finds so axes, far, machetes, drop a like, lawnmower blades, leave a comment, if it and cuts, don't forget to subscribe. This thing brings it back to... You know those little crumbs that somehow multiply across your desk when you're working, studying, or snacking? This tiny beast takes care of them like a pro. This mini desk vacuum isn't just cute, it's powerful. It's got a Type-C port for fast charging and a long-lasting battery, and suction strong enough to swallow dust, hair, and snack remains in seconds. Made from sleek acrylic, it feels premium, not the cheap plastic you'd expect from something this small. And it even comes with an extra nozzle for those annoying keyboard gaps, and a spare filter to keep it running longer. It's one of those gadgets that actually makes cleaning weirdly satisfying, whether you're an office worker, student, or someone who just loves a spotless setup. One button, cordless freedom, and 15 minutes later, your desk looks brand new again. Imagine draining pasta without doing that awkward pot tilt dance where you pray nothing spills. This silicone clip-on strainer snaps onto the edge of your pot like a little helper that refuses to let anything escape. No more dragging out a giant colander. Just clip, tilt, and watch the water pour out while the food stays put. It's compact enough to fit in a drawer, tough enough to handle boiling temps, and flexible enough to grip almost any pot or pan. RV kitchens, small apartments, late-night ramen sessions, it's built for all of it. Heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and surprisingly secure. This tiny strainer turns draining food into the easiest part of cooking. And that wraps up today's list of 5 must-have Amazon gadgets. Check the links below to grab yours while they're discounted. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you're always first in line for the next video. Until then, see you in the next video.